Sanibona Bantwana. Is julle reg om 'n speletjie te speel? Om te staan in isiZulu is uku ima. So wanneer ek sê yima, wil ek hê julle moet staan. En om te sit in isiZulu is uku glala. So as ek sê glala, wil ek hê julle moet sit. Is julle reg? Hier gaan ons. Yima. Glala. Yima. Glala. Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons 'n woord bysit. Ukuhamba beteken om te loop. So wanneer ek sê hamba, wil ek hê julle moet almal op een plek loop. Is julle reg? Yima. Glala. Hamba. Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons 'n woord bysit. Ukulala beteken om te slaap. So wanneer ek sê lala, moet julle almal gaan slaap. Kom ons sit al die woorde saam. Yima. Glala. Hamba. Lala. Baie mooi. Nou gaan ons dit weer doen, maar hierdie keer gaan ons dit vinnig doen. Is julle reg? Yima. Glala. Hamba. Lala. Yima. Glala. Hamba. Lala.
Let's quickly take a look at the board game. First, you roll out the game mat. Then, attach the verb wheel onto the background. It needs to be nice and loose in order to spin easily. Next, fold and tear the perforated sheets to make 3 packs of cards. Red for vocabulary, yellow for phrases, and blue for themes. Then, just follow the rules and have fun. Remember, you can keep adding vocabulary, phrases, and themes to the game as the students progress. So what makes this board game special? Not only can it be used as a revision tool, but also as an assessment tool. It incorporates total physical response, and there is no limit to adding new vocabulary. Finally, you will see that the 4 levels of the board game correspond with the 40 lessons of the syllabus. In other words, every level of the game represents 10 lessons of the syllabus. Once the students reach lesson 10 in the syllabus, they can start playing the board game and start revising the language learned. And that's it! You are now ready to facilitate these lessons. We hope that you have found this training video useful. For more information or technical support, email us at info@abutisyllabus.com. From the Abuti team, we'll see you soon. Happy teaching!
Goodbye.